Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. Comes with 29,793 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. And they also do go away. We're going to take a look up here. As you can see, that 47,948, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 29,793. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. We truly appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support. It really does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.